You're assuming we do have a choice, Paul.
Right, I get right, exactly. All right, let's take a look. For the rest of the month, temperatures are going to be around 93 to 94. I think very uniform and not changing a whole lot at all. Wednesday, our high was 92, Tuesday 92, Monday 91, and I'm just going to barely step it up as we head over the next several days. We still have a lot of soil moisture, a lot of humidity in the air, so high temperature today 93 and right through Tuesday. I may change this one though, maybe to mid 90s, like around 95. But either way, I mean, you see the average high is 93. We're not too far away from that. Heat index values will be close to 100 Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'll talk about that here in just a second. All right, it is 85 degrees, record low 59. That was pretty cool for this time of the year. That was back in 1974. Record high is 103, and that was set back in 2009. And we're not going to be anywhere near records for a while. For the foreseeable future, I don't think we're going to break any record highs. 93 should be the high today. And then if you've got something planned this evening, I know USA is playing in the World Cup. Maybe if you're going to La Cantera, it is going to be very warm out there, but the weather should be really nice. All right, 85 degrees here, 89 in Gonzales already. Hallettsville is about 89, Pleasanton 86, and Hondo 85. And you can pretty much add about 5 degrees to these temperatures, and that'll get you your heat index. And the heat index today, I think, will be maximum about 98 later on this afternoon. 93 will be the high. Dallas-Fort Worth 96. You know, this time of the year, Dallas-Fort Worth is usually hotter than what we'll see here in South Central Texas. I think that's a function of mainly the humidity. All right, over around El Paso to Phoenix, really hot with that upper level ridge of high pressure centered here over the western portions of the state. It's going to be nosing in and going to be centered over Texas as we head into Friday and Saturday. Temperatures, I don't think, will go up a whole lot because of that. And then Monday, with the upper level ridge here over the Mississippi Valley, it's possible we could see an isolated shower, but I'm going to hold off until Wednesday. Tuesday, we'll have Saharan dust, and that usually cuts any chance for isolated showers. But Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and right into the 4th of July weekend, I think we've got at least a slight chance of seeing some rain. Here's the Saharan dust. This is over the weekend, Sunday, Monday, and I think Tuesday. That is when we will see that dust. All right, temperatures today, 93, partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Tomorrow morning, yep, we're back to clouds, and then tomorrow, highs will be around 93 to 94. Heat index value today at about 98. Pollen count, molds are heavy, pigweed grass, both of those are light. All right, not going to stray too far from average for this time of the year as far as the highs Saturday and Sunday, mid-90s, Monday 94, Saharan dust on Tuesday. That'll be an impact day. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the 4th of July. Highs in the mid-90s, partly cloudy, and an isolated shower possible in the afternoon. All right, roadway.